The Khasi Jaintia Students Union Guwahati unit had organized a freshers' meet on the 24th of October 2022, where the chief guest on the occasion was Minister of Social Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, Kyrmen Shylla. Other dignitaries present included the MLA of Mawphlang and guest of honor, Eugeneson Lyngdoh, the MDC of Rambrai Jyrngam, Bajop Pyngrope, the president of the KJSU Guwahati unit, Galio Langki Suchiang, the General Secretary of the unit, Mewaki Siangshai, President of the Jaintia Students Union Central Body, Treibor R Suchen, the BDO of Thadlaskein Block, Brightstar langbang, the DSP of Bhoi District, S.Paslein, besides others. Appreciation awards were also bestowed upon health workers that included nurses, doctors, blood donors and others working in the city of Guwahati. At the same time, the Mawphlang awards were distributed to students who had secured positions in various examinations conducted in 2022.
Kadai ke hok mapin kenoi ke sarkar ne kadai ke jeng trishitom jong lajong ni hak trishitom dala dia kumno bingin la ban wara ki medals nyimla ban depend na ka sarkar kadai tang ka booster ka ban ra ya pi ban yarap ya pi nrei haba khaddu kadai ke jeng trishitom ke jeng minot jong lajong kata kadai ke banga kentu kan pham ya pi kumu samla leader nang trai na West Khasi mapindi ban ya trishitom 3 minot ni nget baka jela jongi kini ki brio ki start baik yang nujur baki state baper borok koi kari India tang ke action ke ba ni ki Khasi ngidon ke action ke ba ngila ban set up ki call centers ki ba per baka jela jongi ngila ban employment baper anrei lada tam ki politician ki try marweng inum la ban pen poi saka thong ngidon kam ya ki youth hakane ka generation ka manda ke ba pini ai keti ka mon keti ka diang nang bangilla ban kentiu ya kejelahi borok koi.
I got my salary by entertaining my people. Do you believe that? But that's a fact. I am here to serve. I am here to try to reach out to those people who are in need of us. We all are elected with that thoughts of the people of our constituency, thinking that Kyrmen will be the person to guide us and to be with us when we are in need of him. I try to be the best I can, but there are times that I hurt them too. The result why they got hurt? Expectation. Expectation, it hurts. I believe all of us, we have that. Expectation, we expect that Kyrmen as a local MLA, he will give us job to each and every one of us, every household. He will provide all the food materials. He will provide anything. If we do bad things, especially,
play kaba kerpang kaya chapi ki members ki dekot ki samla jong kane ka Khasi Jaintia Students Union. Abangnya kren chpang ki samla jong ka jaj penrio migran chpang ka Kyrmen. Kung kapi layo kijengkran kiba sultana kijengkran kiba ai mensim kamtam ya kajai beriu niki rampa samla kibla kran akswa madu i Treibor madu i ba Brightstar madu i S.Paslein wat kumju ini Bajop tengah ngayeng hang di bangakwa man keranya pi syapang kajing Kyrmen nomor kum ki samla ha kani kajigim kajongi kai ka ba ai men sim yangi kadi kata kajing Kyrmen syapang kajing Kyrmen kum pi layo kajing Kyrmen kiba sultanat kajing Kyrmen kiba ai men sim kamtam ya kajing beriu niki rampa samla kiba akran akswa madu i Treibor madu i ba Brightstar madu i ba S.Paslein wat kumju ini Bajop tengah ngayeng hang di bangakwa man keranya pi syapang kajing Kyrmen nomor kum ki samla ha kani kajigim kajongi kai ka ba ai men sim yangi kadi kata kajing Kyrmen ya kajing angnut ya kata kat hong kebangi itmu